Hello there everyone, and now guys, today we're going to address floor mat cleaning. I want to make it easy as possible for myself, to be honest, because I'm lazy, and at the same time I want to be efficient. I don't want to take this out of my car, spray an APC all over it, then rinse it off. That's not what I want to do today. However, I'm gonna show you a bit of a more lazy way how I take care of my floor mats and how I'm gonna transform them. So first things first, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna vacuum it, take as much dust, sand, grime off of it, and then I'm gonna show a product I'm gonna use to clean it all out. And let's start with vacuuming first. So vacuum the most I can. As you can see visually, not a lot has changed, but what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna take this product, and this is like a foam cleaning action interior cleaner from Turtle Wax. And what I like about it, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna spray all these areas, even the surrounding areas around the floor mat. The fabrics here a little bit, I'll foam that as well. And I'm gonna let it dwell. So this is a very kind of dry foam. And what it's gonna do for us, it's gonna eat through all the dirt. And these intricate areas between the lettering here and the texture of these floor mats, there's some dirt stuck there all the time, and it's hard to get it off. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna take my brush, soft brush, and I'm gonna agitate all of this carpet. And to your advantage, you might want to use a wet vacuum cleaner, meaning that it can absorb liquids as well. That will come in handy here when the foam is gonna tone down a little bit. Now I'm just gonna take my brush and go for all of this, just like that. That part is not really dirty, so I'm not gonna really work on it too much. However, this part here, is extremely nasty, where the browning action going on. The advantages, well, I like this product as well, is it leaves the scent behind. So, and it's really useful, especially in the lower end. I might not necessarily use it on the top of the vehicle because it's just too much foam spraying all over the place. You'll be chasing your tails with kind of trying to get that foam off, and it might potentially stain. But on the lower half, it's perfect because it leaves that nice scent, and this is where the dirtiest part of the car is anyway. And the dirt of the shoes that comes off, you want it to eliminate any potential dirt that might ruin the scent of your car as well. Next thing, I'm going to actually vacuum all of that up. And I'm not going to necessarily chase everything. I'm going to take my old microfiber towel, old one, and I'm simply going to buff off the rest. And if there's any potential foam left behind that irritates you can vacuum it off, but most of it will evaporate anyway. And I will wait until it all dries. But any kind of rocks or grime There might be potential left behind. You cannot vacuum them, but most of them are gone after vacuumed anyway. So guys, about 10 to 15 minutes have passed, and these are the mats. Now look, this isn't the best way of cleaning the floor mats. It's more like a maintenance quote-unquote wash. At some point you will still need to get them out. Probably just use an all-purpose cleaner to get even more intricate with all these, you know, tight edges between the lettering or just the pattern of the floor mat. And also clean underneath, because there are still probably rocks, as you can see underneath here. It's not perfect, however, as a maintenance wash, just to keep on top of it, maybe every you know, other week, it's all right. You know, maybe once a month you might want to take them out, clean underneath it, but you know, for the last 3 weeks you just want to, you know, keep it clean, keep it contained, so to speak. And yeah, and make sure you open the windows, open the doors, let it all air out. And I like using this product. It smells nice, it foams up, and I also forgot to mention that you can use it on the pedals as well. You can see I've done this. And the advantage is you don't need to put on anything underneath it, because it's not gonna, you know, it's not like a liquid, an all-purpose cleaner where you spray it and it all drips down. The snow foam the foam stays contained. You can agitate them, and then just I personally, with this, all of this, I just vacuumed it. Now I'm just gonna go with my microfiber cloth for all of this again, and perhaps with my vacuum again if I need to. But anyway, this is just a kind of quick way of maintaining your seats and maintain a nice odor in the car as well, because this is where the most of the odor gets collected from our feet. So thank you for watching the video, thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next videos.